its topic related to production order. That is nothing but a confirmation of the production order. So in production order, what are we going to study? So first we'll see what is production order confirmation. Okay, and what are the confirmation parameters for the production order? So what are the different transactions that we use to confirm the production orders? Those things we'll be studying. And to confirm the production order, what are the requirements? What are the prerequisites that are required? That we will see requirements for production order confirmation. Once we do the production order confirmation, then we will see what are the effects that are going to take place in the production order after confirmation. Okay? And finally, we'll be seeing control parameters for confirmation of production orders. Most probably, these control parameters for confirmation of the production orders we will be dealing this specific topic in the configuration topic. Okay? This comes under configuration, so we will be seeing this one when we go to the configuration topic. Okay? So let's first discuss. So the basic definition related to production order confirmation is, so now what happens? We have completed our manufacturing activity. Okay, what we did, what is the process that we have done so far? Here, let me go to my Excel sheet. So far what we did, we have created a production order. Okay, then we have done material availability check. Then we have released the production order to start our manufacturing activity. So we have done the goods issue, whatever components are required to manufacture our finished product. We have taken all those goods, and now we are assuming that we have completed our manufacturing process. Our finished product is ready. So for that, what we have to do, the next step is confirmation. Confirmation. That means confirmation means we are confirming that our manufacturing activity is completed. Okay, that we will do. After the confirmation, what we will do? The sixth step, we will be doing goods placing. Okay, so the confirmation can be done using the transaction CO11N or CO15. So these are the two different transactions, two different methods how you can do the confirmation of the production order. So that we will see further. Okay, so confirmation means we are coming to the system and we are confirming that our manufacturing activity is totally completed. That is what the confirmation means. During the confirmation activity, what we will do? You can first of all, you can confirm the production order at header level, or you can confirm the production order through at operation level. Whatever operations are there, how many operations are there. So those many times you can do the confirmation for a production order. These are the two different methods for which you can do a confirmation for production order. You can do at header level or you can do at the operation level. During confirmation activity, okay, what are the things that we are going to see in the confirmation screen? Like the system will ask us to enter exact quantity, how much we have manufactured. Okay, if there is any scrap, we have to enter that. We have to maintain that scrap. How much yield we have manufactured? What is the scrap? In case if there is any scrap, and total quantity. If you want to rework, so scrap is there. So you want to rework for that scrap which has come, and you want to manufacture rest of the quantity. Then how much quantity we want to do rework. So all those things can be entered over there in the confirmation screen. And how much work actually we have done. We means it might be a machine or it might be a person. Okay, at what work center? That is nothing but the location. At which work center the specific operation has been taken place. Okay, and who has carried out this operation? If any specific person is carried out that specific operation, so that also we can enter here in the confirmation screen. One important thing is, as soon as the manufacturing activity is completed, it is recommended that we have to come to the system and then we have to enter the confirmation of that production order. As soon as the manufacturing activity is completed, because we will be having the exact values if we do it soon after our manufacturing activity. Okay, so it is recommended that we have to do it as soon as the manufacturing activity is completed. We have to come to the system and we have to confirm that production order is completed. So that is what the production order confirmation means. And these are the things what we are going to enter. Different parameters we are going to enter into the confirmation screen. So what are those parameters we will see in the SAP system? So as we have discussed here that production order can be confirmed at header level or at the operation level. So these things we can do it. So once after doing the confirmation activity or a production order, the order will get updated with the confirmed status. Okay, once you do the confirmation, the order status will get updated. What is that status? Those things we will see in the production order itself. And capacity requirement will get released. Capacity requirements means the work centers. Now the activity is completed by the work center. After completing the activity, your work center will be free, right? So work center requirements will get affected. Okay, then material documents will get updated in the system. If in case your HR module, there is a separate SAP module called HR module, human resource module. If that module is integrated with our PP module, then this HR module will also get updated. Okay, and all the actual values, planned value, actual values, amount, everything will get updated here in the production order once we do the confirmation activity. Okay, so let us see what are the different methods of confirmation. So as I told, we can do confirmation at the order header level, we can do confirm at the order operation level, and there is one special type of confirmation that is called as milestone confirmation. What is that milestone confirmation? Where is that setting maintained in the system? Okay, those things we will see now. Even you can do the partial confirmation of the production order, or you can do the full and final confirmation of the production order. How to do partial confirmation, how to do final confirmation, that we will study now. Then we will see where these things are maintained in the confirmation screen. Okay, so let me go back to our SAP screen. Okay, first before that, let me maintain here confirmation methods, how we can confirm. Confirmation of production order. Okay, but we will confirm it use at order header level. Order header level. Okay, we confirm at order header level and the transaction used is CO15 words. Next, order operation level and the transaction used is CO11N. Okay, this is the second. And the third one we can use it is milestone confirmation. Okay, where we will maintain this milestone confirmation, we will see. Okay, so this is maintained in the control key. This milestone confirmation setting is maintained in the control key, and where is that control key maintained? We will see once we complete these first two steps. Okay, so let me go to the SAP. So this is the product which we are currently using, our finished product, FC1 little glass model, and these are the requirements. Now I'm going to run MRP for that. MD02. Okay, I'm running MRP for this material. Okay, but we run is successful. To refresh our screen, we got our planned order. Now what I will do, I convert one of these planned order to production order. Okay, this is the logging. Order has missing parts. System is saying that this order has a missing parts. So let me post those parts which are missing in the system. Okay, so let me check which parts are missing here. Missing parts is I'm doing material availability check now. So first step we have created our production order. Next we are doing material availability check. Okay, which part is missing? Pepsi solution is missing over here. So I'll take this material and I'll post some stocks. So I'm using Nego transaction to post these stocks.
उसके वैसे उसके वैसे पतली पतली लाइन कैसे वो मेरे पास बतेरे पड़े हैं.
Okay, so I'm doing the goods receipt.
डिजाइन मेरे पास
Sorry, for not order for other purpose. So that moment I for purchase for other purpose without a production order or purchase order is fine on one. So here, what I will do, I enter which material I'm doing the goods receipt and quantity I'm doing it as some 5,000 as of now, and this storage location I'm receiving it. Enter. Okay, this is the plant. I did not make any plant. Okay, so here I'll be checking for any issues. Okay, creating batch, yes. Create batch and I will post it now.
मेरे पास तो सारे
Okay, document got posted. So let me go to the material available within the production order now. I'm going to check it again. Okay, first I have to select the component and then I have to check it again. Now here confirm quantity again it was 0, right? Now it got confirmed. Continue. Let me come out of it. Let me do it again here. All the checked materials are available. So the next step will be releasing our production order. Okay, release rejected. Okay, let me check why it is rejecting here. Go to logs, release. Let me check what is the issue. First enter the batch format is 1341. Not possible. Enter 1314. Okay, let me go to the components here. I have to maintain the batch. That is why system did not allow us to release the order. So I need to check what is the batch number for this material. So to check the batch number, I'll go to the transaction MNBD. Okay, 1341. Let me check the batch. I'm going to execute it here. Okay, this is the batch number. I need to copy this and we'll go back to our production order screen again. Okay, now let us try to release the order. Okay, release carried out. Now it has been released. So now the status got updated from created status to released status. Still, we have not issued the goods. So there is no GMP status assigned to this order. Once we issue the goods, this production order will get updated with the status for GMPs. That is goods movement posted. I'm going to save my production order. Okay, yes. Our production order is saved. If I refresh it, this plan order will get received by production order and it will be released to status. Yes, this is our production order. Now I will take this production order. The next step what we'll do, we will issue the goods. Okay, this step we have completed. Now we will issue the goods. Let me go back here. The transaction to issue the goods is again Nego. So do the goods issue. For what? For our production order. Enter the production order here. Select order. Moment type will be 261. Click on continue. Document does not contain any selectable items. Okay, fine. So this issue we are getting because. So let me go to the routing of this finished product CA02. We are getting it because I think I have maintained the backlash setting over there. So I'll remove that backlash as of now. Okay, this is our first load counter that we are using. So let me go to the component allocation here. Yes, I have maintained the backlash. The system is not allowing me to issue the goods using Nego transaction, but we could have issued the goods automatically during confirmation activity. Either that or this. So I'm removing the backlash. I want to do it using Nego transaction. So I'm saving my routing. Okay, I have to go back to my production order. So that because why? Because I have done changes to my master data. So those changes I have to reflect it back into my production order. Okay, so how to reflect those newly created changes into the production into the master data. Okay, those new changes, whatever you have done in the master data, those changes should come into the production order. How to do that? So for that you have to go here to go to the functions, go to the function option, and here there is one option called read PP master data again. Once you click on this, click on continue, system will take back this production order status from released status back to the created status. Why? Because we are again reading the newly created or new changes whatever we have done to the master data. So system is telling that the order status will be moved back from released status to created status. Click on continue. Okay, so it has been changed to created status. I will have to release it again. Okay, release rejected. Okay, let me go to the material master here again. Now let me do the material available check. Everything is done. Now I'm releasing it out. Release carried out. Come here. The status got updated with REL. Now I'm going to save my production order again. After this, we will do the goods issue using Nego transaction. So this is done now. So let me go to the Nego screen. Goods issue screen. This is our production order. Let me try to enter it again. This time, system is giving us all the components which are there within this production order. So these are the two components which we have to issue. Okay, from this storage location and from plant 1000. So I'll check for any issues. Okay, everything is okay. I'm going to post this document. Okay, now the document got posted. If I come here, if I refresh it, this is our production order. Okay, suppose let me go to the production order inside of this production order again, and let me show you the cost. Okay, go to cost and analysis. Here, what you can see is this is how actually the cost screen looks like. This is the total planned cost. Okay, system is calculating based on the quantity what we are manufacturing. Okay, of this finished product. So system will calculate what will be the planned cost. Okay, what will be the fixed cost. Based on that, when we do all the confirmation activity, this actual cost will get updated in the system. Okay, so let me go back. Even you can see the goods movement over here. So go to option here, and here documented goods movement. Click on the goods movement, and here even you can see the status got updated with GMPs. This is the material document which got generated because of the goods movement. This is the moment type for issuing the goods 260. Okay, so let can see now the status got updated with GMS because we have issued the goods. Now I'm going to save my production order. Now what is the next step after doing the goods issue? Here. The next step is we will have to do the confirmation. This is what we are trying to do now. Okay, till now it is that goods issue. So let me go to first. How I will do? I will confirm the order at header level CO15. So let me take this order here. Control C. Okay. Now I'm going to the transaction CO15. CO15. Okay, I'm doing the confirmation of this production order at header level. Enter your production order number here. Click on continue. Okay, at header level, you will be able to see this is the initial screen to confirm the order at header level. So how much quantity we are manufacturing? We are manufacturing 100 pieces. So if you want to do the partial confirmation means what? Partial means today we are manufacturing some 50 pieces. So we will enter 50 pieces over here and we will do only the partial confirmation. Tomorrow another 50 pieces we are going to manufacture. Rest of the 50 pieces we will enter it over here and then we will be selecting it as a final confirmation tomorrow because rest of the quantities will be manufacturing tomorrow. So partial whenever you are manufacturing partial quantity on a specific day, at that time we need to select partial confirmation. Now at this time we are manufacturing it completely all the 100 pieces. So I'll be selecting as final confirmation. Now even you can say that if there is some loss over here, so I'll be manufacturing only 98 pieces and 2 pieces will be outside. In case if you want to revert these 2 pieces, you can enter it over here. What is the reason for variance? Reason for variance means why this loss has happened over here. So that reason you can select it from this drop down list here. Machine malfunction due to machine breakdown or machine malfunction. This actual yield got reduced by 2 pieces. And person number. If HR module is integrated with PP, we can also enter who has worked on this. This personal number means the person who has worked on this production order to manufacture this finished product. And when this production activity has been started, when it is going to end, what is the start time, what is the end time, what is the posting time, when we are posting this confirmation. So all that date we will be maintaining here. In case if you want to maintain some text over here, you can maintain the text as well. Okay. Once you enter all these things, then what we will do, we will save it. Okay, I'm going to save it. Expiry date, manufacturing date. So I'll be giving it as a today's date. Today is the manufacturing date. I'm going to give it, and I'm date of production lies in the future. 31 day. Okay, I have to select it as 30. Click on continue. Now here you can see confirmation saved. Okay, there is no goods movement at all. So let me go back to our production order and let us see is there any issue or what. Okay, I'm going to this production order. Okay, here you can see the status with CNF. CNF means confirmation is done for this production order. It is confirmed. It is confirmed, and also the goods movement is also posted over here. So this is how the confirmation is done at the header level. Okay, so let me go here and check it. Okay, here you can see now the actual got posted over here. And here it was 0. Now after doing the confirmation activity, these are the actual costs that got posted to this production order. This is how the cost actual and target cost screen looks like. Okay, so let me go back here. Here again, skin cost analysis, team layout. I want to see plan versus actual comparison. Okay. Okay, it is fine. Let me come out of it. Okay, now what we did the confirmation at the header level. Okay, I'm going to save my production order. This is how the status will change as and when we execute with the different steps. So now we have completed this one, how to do the production order confirmation at the header level. Now let us check how to execute this confirmation activity at order operation level. So let me go back to the stock requirement list screen. Now I'll convert this planned order to production order. Okay, I will check for material availability. All materials are available. I'm going to release the order. Okay, I have to maintain the batch here. That is why it's not allowing us. Now I'm going to release it. Yes, it got released. Now I'm saving this production order.
Sir, I can't hear you.
Hello. Can you hear me now?
Now I can hear you.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir, now I can hear you.
Okay. Now what we did is I just did a material availability check. Okay. Then I have released the order. Now we have converted this planned order to production. Okay. Now what I will do, I will do the goods issue first for this order. Okay. I'll do the goods issue for this order. The next step. So select this order. Go to the goods issue screen. Enter the goods issue here. Select this one. Now check for any issues. And I'm going to post it as there are no issues. Now we have completed our what that is goods issue. We have completed it. Okay. After doing the goods issue, we have to do the confirmation. So let us do the confirmation for this production order at operation level. So what is the transaction to do the confirmation at operation level? The transaction is CO11. CO11. Yeah. Okay. Go to this transaction. Here you can enter the order directly. Okay. Once you enter the order directly, system will bring what all operations are there inside this order. So click on this operations field. Click on this F1 button. Okay. Here we can see that there are 3 different operations. So what I will do is I'll confirm the first operation. Okay. I'm going to confirm the first operation. So select first operation. Click on actual data button. So what happens when you click on actual data? So whatever data that has been recorded for this operation, all that data will be pulled into the screen directly. So we did not enter any quantities. What is the setup time, machine time, what is the labor time? So system has pulled these details automatically when we enter the production order and operation number, and then once we click this actual data button, system has put all these data automatically from the production order operation. Okay, we did not enter any of these ones. And here confirmation type. What type of confirmation we are doing? We are not doing partial confirmation. We are confirming it final. This is our final confirmation. So select final confirmation, and then click on save. Okay, now first operation is confirmed. Now if you go back to the production order here, I'm going back to the production order here. Here what you can see, now the production order got updated with PCNF. What is this PCNF? PCNF means partially confirmed. It is not totally confirmed. Why we are getting partially confirmed? How many operations we have here? We have 3 different operations. Out of 3 operations, we have just completed only the first operation. Here even you can see the status for this operation, individual status for the operation. So now we have confirmed only first operation. That is why the status at the header, we are getting it as a partial confirmation. Once we confirm all the 3 operations here, then the status will get changed from partial confirmation to confirmation. That means totally confirmed. So let us go back and confirm other 2 operations. Okay, other 2 operations. I'm going back to CO11 in transaction. Our order number was this. And what is the other remaining operation? Now you can see here, the first operation is disappeared from this list. Why? Because we have already confirmed it. So we are left with 2 more operations to be confirmed. So select second operations, click on actual data, system pulls all the data from the operation. Now select it as the final confirmation, so select it as final confirmation and then click on save. Okay, this is also done. Second operation is confirmed. So let us confirm the third operation. If you go here, go to the operation. Now we can see only the last operation which needs to be confirmed because first two operations are already confirmed. So select the third operation here, click on actual data. Okay, now we will save it. Okay, we have to mention when this product has been manufactured. So I'm selecting the date as today's date. Click on continue. Okay, now all the operations got confirmed. Now all the operations got confirmed. Let us go back to the stock requirement list screen here. Go to the production order and let us check the status of it. Okay, so it has not yet updated still. But okay, fine. Why this has been marked as a partial confirmation here? Why? I'll tell you. I'll go back to this confirmation screen. I'm just saving this production order before going out because why? Because we did not change this confirmation type to final confirmation. That is why here in the production order you will be able to see the partial confirmation for the third operation. So let me confirm it again. Even you can see the third operation being displayed here. Select this one. I'll change it to final confirmation. Actual data. Okay, because all the data whatever we have entered here it got confirmed. But let us check what's going to happen here. Okay, fine. Let me go back to my production order. So select the production order. Go inside it. Here now we can see the status got changed to confirmation. CNF. That means it is completely confirmed. Even you can see all the operations got confirmed completely. CNF, CNF, and CNF. So this is how you can do the confirmation activity at operation level. Okay, and even you can see track the status of the order using status management. Okay, it is confirmed. Now, what is the third type of confirmation? That is nothing but, let me go to Excel. That is nothing but the milestone confirmation. Where this milestone confirmation setting is maintained. Okay, this milestone confirmation setting is maintained in the control key. Where that control key is maintained. So let me go back to the routing CA02. Okay, where it is maintained that control key. If you remember, in our previous first two sessions, creating the work center, assigning the work center to the routing, we saw that this control key is getting copied from this work center by default. Okay, so where is that milestone confirmation is maintained? So let me go here. So I have already maintained this one milestone confirmation control key here. Let me show it to you again. So here there are different control keys. So scroll down, go to PP99, where actually the confirmation milestone confirmation is maintained. So select this control key, click on detailed information. Here you will be able to see for what all purpose this control key is used. For what all purpose this control key is used. Suppose confirmation. It is maintained as one. One means what? Here you can maintain the confirmation. One means milestone confirmation. What is the use of this milestone confirmation? Whereas the confirmation maintained for PP01, it is nothing but to confirmation required. Okay, but this milestone confirmation is called as a special type of confirmation. What is the use of it? Okay, now I'll tell you what is the use of it. Now this is the place where we have to maintain the milestone confirmation in the control key, and this control key is maintained here in the routing for the last operation. Why it is not maintained for the first operation? Why it is only maintained for last operation? Means the importance of this milestone confirmation is as soon as you confirm the third operation, automatically system will confirm its preceding operations. That means whatever operations that are above this last operation. Okay, currently we have two operations, operation 10, operation 20. These above two operations will get confirmed automatically as soon as we confirm the last operation. Okay, we don't need to confirm these operations individually one by one. It is sufficient if we confirm the third operation. System will automatically confirm the first two operations. How to do that? You will see. So this is the place where we maintain in the control key, and this control key we maintain here in the routing. And I'm going to save it. Now let me go to the stock requirement list. Now I'll convert one more plant order to production order, and let's see how this milestone confirmation will work. Okay, now here I go to the component screen. I'll maintain the batches. I'll just check material availability check. If I try to release it, it won't release because we need to maintain the batch here. Now again I'll do material availability check. All the materials are available. I'm releasing the order and I'm saving my production order. Okay, now production order is saved. Okay, now I will do the goods issue for this production order. Select this production order here. Okay, go to the goods issue screen. Here there's a goods issue screen. Enter select goods issue for which order we are selecting. Select the order from this drop down list and enter your production order number. And 261 will be the movement type always for the goods issue. So select item okay and check if there are any issues. Okay, there are no issues. Document got posted. Documents are okay. Now we will post it. We have issued these two components and we have completed our manufacturing activity. Now once after completing our manufacturing activity, we have to do the confirmation. So select this component, select this production order, and let us go to the screen to do the confirmation at operation level. And this time we will see how to confirm the production order using milestone confirmation. So enter your order number here. Okay, and if you go to this option, A4 option, you will be able to see there are three operations under this production order number. Now we are studying milestone operation. Last column, if you see here, the third operation is marked with this X indicator. That means this operation is marked for milestone. This M means milestone. Okay, M means milestone, and here the third operation is marked as a milestone operation. Now, if we confirm the third operation, automatically the first two operations will be confirmed. That is the use of this milestone operation. That is what this milestone operation will do. So now what I will do, I'll select the third operation directly to confirm it. So here I'm not doing any partial confirmation because my manufacturing activity is completely done. Okay, it is completed. So I'll do the final confirmation. Click on actual data button. System has taken all the data from the operation, and now you save it. Yes, when is our manufacturing date? It is on 30th. Today's date. Click on continue. Okay, now confirmation is done. Let us go to production order and let's see whether it is partially confirmed or fully confirmed. This is our production order. Go here, and here you can see it is confirmed fully. And even if you go to the operations here, all the operations will be updated with the status for confirmed. Here we have done only confirmation for the third operation, but due to the milestone functionality, it has confirmed the preceding operations of this operation 30. Okay, this is how the milestone confirmation functionality will work. These are the three different confirmation ways how we do the production order confirmation. Okay, now there is one more thing here. If you observe here, the time ticket, enter time ticket for production order. That is nothing but confirmation of the production order operation level. There is one more thing called here confirmation. What is this field? So what that field is nothing but the production order will generate one number. That is called as confirmation number. So if you don't want to enter the production order number, the operation number, if you don't want to enter, you can enter only the confirmation number directly here, and system will pull all the data whatever it is there in the confirmation, and it will populate all the required fields here. Let us see that where you can find that confirmation number. So now I'll convert another plant order to production order. Okay, I'll be using this first routing. Now I'll do button availability check and release it. Release. I have to maintain the batch here. Let's go to the components. Maintain the batch. I'm going to release my production order. Release carried out and save it. Yes. So now we have converted another planned order to production order. So if we go back into the production order again, go to the operations. Okay. Select the operation and go to details. How to go to details? Select operation at the bottom. Here, bottom left corner, you will be having one button called operation details. Click on this one. System will take you to the details of the operation screen. Here, we can see there is one field called confirmation. This confirmation number is unique and a different number will be assigned to different operations. So if you take this confirmation number, if you want to confirm, so here, for the confirmation number for the first operation, it is 96620. Let us take the confirmation number for the second operation. Okay, go to details. Here you can see 96621. And for the third one, it will be 96622. Okay, so let me go back and check the third one also. Come here, select this one. Yeah, 96622. If you just select this number, and while confirming, if you want to enter the confirmation number directly instead of entering production order number or operation activity number, so if you enter the confirmation number and if you just click enter, order is I'm coming to the order, right? So that's why system is not allowing us that. So I'm going to save this. I'm coming out of this order.
14-15 दिन
It is locked by me, so that is why system is giving this message. It is being processed by SAP user. So we have come out of this order, and now let us click on continue. Enter. See, I have just entered confirmation number. Whatever the data which is there inside this confirmation number, like order number, what is the operation, what are the quantity, what is the setup machine labor time, all those things it is fully automatically, which is stored in this confirmation number. So this is how you can also enter the confirmation number instead of entering the order number and operation number over here. Okay. So these are the things which you will be able to see here in the operation level confirmation screen. Here you can enter what is the scrap again. Everything would remain same when we compare this to the header level operation confirmation screen. You scrap, rework, what is the reason for variance in case if there is any variations. Okay, and who has worked on it, what is the time ID, when it has started, start time, finish time, okay, posting time, all those things. In case if you want to maintain some long text, if you want to convey some message to the next shift people or to the plant people, we can write some sentences over here and then we can save this confirmation. This is how the confirmation can be done using 3 different methods. Okay, now what is the next thing that we are going to study in confirmation? These are the different confirmation types we can do. Okay, the next thing is what is the requirement for the confirmation? Okay, to do confirmation, what are the prerequisites or requirements that are required? One is there are some requirement settings which we need to do in the configuration. So that part we'll be studying it when we go to the configuration. Apart from that, if you want to do the confirmation of a production order, that specific order has to be in the release status. Okay, it should be released, and that particular operation which is there within the production order, it should have the control key. That control key should have been maintained with confirmation required. In case it is maintained with no confirmation, then we cannot do the confirmation. Okay, these are the requirements. One, there are some control parameters which need to be set in the configuration for this production order, the order type, confirmation parameter level. So that we will see when we go to configuration. Apart from that, the next thing is your production order should be released. If it is not released, if it is still in the created status, then you cannot do the confirmation. System will not allow us to do the confirmation. That is one requirement. And the other one, the control key, whatever we use in the operations of the production order, that control key should be enabled with the milestone operation or the confirmation required option. Okay, that we saw in the control key. So these are the requirements, prerequisites that we should have to do the confirmation of our production order. Okay, hope this is clear to you. Okay, and these are the options that we have seen just now. So what are the things you can enter in the single screen entry? So here whatever we have seen, right, this screen is called as a single screen entry. Single screen entry. So what are those things? You can enter personal data, like who has executed this activity, which person, that person ID, person name you can assign. What are the quantities? How much is the yield? What is the scrap quantity? What is the rework quantity? All those things, and reason for variance. All those things we can enter. And what activities? Activities like machine setup time, labor time, all those things we can enter here along with the dates. What is the start date, end date, what is the posting date, on which date we are posting this confirmation. All these things. And lastly, you can give comments. Comments means if you want to convey some information or a message, you can write it over here and you can save the confirmation for that particular production order. These are different options which we saw in the single screen entry screen. Okay, so the important thing, once we do the confirmation, what are the effects that are going to take place? So first of all, during confirmation activity in our previous session, we have seen how to do the backlash activity. That is nothing but automatic goods receipt. During confirmation, we can do automatic goods receipt. During confirmation, also we can do this is automatic goods issue. Yesterday we have seen this one. Backlashing means automatic goods issue. During confirmation, we did this one, and today we will be seeing this goods receipt. How to do this automatic goods receipt during confirmation? This part we are left out with. We will see now after this. And once you do the confirmation, in case if the PP module is again integrated with HR module, the data will get transferred to HR module. Okay, your actual costs will get updated inside production order. Just now, sometime back we have seen the actual cost, right? Actual cost getting updated in the production order. When these actual costs will get updated as soon as we do the confirmation of the production order. And once the confirmation of the production order means the work carried out by the specific work centers is over. Now the work centers are free. So that means reduction of capacity requirements will take place. That is nothing but your work center will become free as soon as you do the confirmation activity. Okay, and your order status will get updated with the CNF status. That is also we have seen in the production order. Your actual cost, your quantity, your status of the order, all these things will get updated as soon as you do the confirmation of the production order. Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is all about confirmation of the production order. Now what we will do, we will study how to do the goods receipt and what is goods receipt. Okay, so now what are the things we are going to study here in the goods receipt topic? First of all, we will see what is the overview of goods receipt. Okay, overview of goods receipt. What do you mean by goods receipt? Then prerequisites required for the goods receipt and what are the different methods we can do the goods receipt. Okay, these things we will see. Once after we do the goods receipt, what are the effects that are going to take place in the production order? Those things we will see. Okay, so overview, what I can say is goods receipt means what? Now your finished product or semi-finished product, whatever it is, doesn't matter. So those things are ready. Your finished product or semi-finished product is ready, and you are keeping those products in your shop floor control. Now what you have to do, you have to transfer those products back to the warehouse. So transferring those products back to the warehouse, that activity is called as doing the goods receipt. Okay, these goods receipt can be done manually, and also the goods receipt can be done automatically. How to do it automatically, we will see. Okay, here once you do the goods receipt, the order status will change again. Okay, to which status it will change? It will change to the delivered status. It is called as DLB, delivered status. Okay, so this is nothing but the overview of a goods receipt. Okay, so let me note down here. So goods receipt here. So goods receipt, how we can do, what are are the methods? Goods receipt is also called as GR. Okay, goods issue is also called as GI. So first method, you can do it manually, and the transaction used to do the goods receipt is again MIGO, or you can also do this goods receipt using transaction MB1C. Now MB1C is obsolete, so we have to use only MIGO. But in this system, in this system where I'm showing, right, so this MB1C can also be used. Okay. Now option 2, automatically. Auto. How to do this auto? We have to make some specific settings in the control key again. Control key. Okay. Or you can also make that automatic setting in the production scheduling profile, which we saw yesterday, for releasing the production order automatically during the creation stage itself, if you remember that. So that setting we did in production scheduling profile, right? So same, this auto GR setting can also be done in the production scheduling profile. We will see these two how to do it. Okay. Now let us go back to our PPT. Here, for what all things you can do the goods receipt. First of all, you can do the goods receipt for the purchase order, where this activity will be carried out by the consultant. Okay. And now whatever we are doing the goods receipt for our production order, not for the purchase order. We are doing goods receipt for the production order. And also you can do the goods receipt for other purposes, just like how I did by doing the goods receipt. I have posted some stock to my warehouse, right? Sometime back I have executed that activity a lot of time. So that is nothing but we can also do the goods receipt for other activities, just to post these stocks into the warehouse. That is nothing but without the production order or without the purchase order. Okay, here you can see, if we go back to our goods issue screen, that is MIGO screen. So select the goods receipt. So you want to do the goods receipt for the purchase order, or you want to do it for the production order or other purpose. You can also select other purpose. In that case, you won't be able to enter any purchase order or production order. So for whatever purpose you can do the goods receipt. That is nothing but this screen, what it explains. Okay, now let us execute these methods one by one. Okay, let me go to the SAP. First, let us do the goods receipt manually. Okay, so I'll go to my stock requirement list screen. Okay, I'll just refresh once. So now all the activities completed for this production order, it is confirmed. Let us check it again. The status, see, now it is confirmed. That means our, what I can say is our finished product is ready and it is laying in our shop floor control. Okay, now once I do the goods receipt, the status will get updated here with the DLB status. Along with this confirmation status, another status will come here as a DLB. That is nothing but delivered. At that time, your delivered status here quantity will be updated with the quantity how much we are going to do the goods receipt. That quantity it will get updated over here. And here you can see the value got updated here to -2. Why this -2 has come here? If you remember, by doing the confirmation activity, we have confirmed for 98 pieces. Okay, and 2 pieces were scrapped. So that is why the system is showing that remaining 2 pieces expected yield variance. Okay, it is nothing but those 2 scrap quantities which got updated here. Okay, now let us do the goods receipt for this production order. I'm coming out of this production order now. Okay, I'm selecting this production order. Select this production order. Go to the MIGO transaction. Here, I'm going to do the goods receipt for my production order. So select order here. Enter your production order number here. Always the goods receipt movement type will be 101, 101. So click on continue. Okay, here you can see as we have confirmed only for 98 pieces, right? If you remember during confirmation, we have confirmed for 98 pieces and 2 pieces were scrapped. So the system is automatically picking that quantity here, 98, and click on continue. To which storage location we want to do the goods receipt? We want to receive the goods. The storage location here is 0. I want to receive it to the storage location, and this is the batch number where the system is generating. It's already generated. Okay, now I'll check for any issues. Enter the date of production. Okay, so I have to scroll down to my right side here on the screen. Date of manufacturing. We have to enter the date of manufacturing here. The manufacturing comes 30th date. Now let me check it again for any issues. Deficient of order quantity of 2 pieces. Yes. So that means 2 pieces are still less as compared to the planned quantity. What is our planned quantity? 100 pieces. So 2 pieces went for they were scrapped. So that is what the system is giving us the warning message. That means defect of order quantity 2 pieces. Yes, fine, not a problem. And I'm going to post. Okay, document got posted here. So let me go back to the stock requirement list here. Okay, and here if I go back to this production order number, go to change mode. Here now you can see here the status got updated. The delivered status got updated with 98 value, 98 value. And if you go to the option here, documented goods movement. Here you will be able to see what are the components that we have received during goods issue along with this movement type 261, and this is the finished product. We have done the goods received for this with the movement type 101. Okay, with the movement type 101. Suppose you can also just a second, select layout, change layout and quantity the unit of measure. How much quantity we are seeing that also we can see. So how many quantity we have received of this raw materials symmetry for 100 piece, and what is the quantity that we have done for goods received? It is for 98 piece. Okay, now what we will do? Come out of it, and even you can see here it was getting updated. Analysis, and here this is the planned cost. Okay, this is the actual cost, and this is the target or variance cost. Target or actual variance cost. Okay, these are the costs getting updated here in the system. So let me go back, and now that is fine. Not a problem. I'm going to save my production order. So now let me try to refresh it. So let me take a screenshot. Take a more screenshot over here. Let it be. This is the production order number ending with 3465. I'm going to refresh it. See, we have completed all the activity related to that production order, right? 3465. Once it is completely delivered, all the activities finished, that production order will disappear from this screen. So it got disappeared from this screen. Now 3465 is not there. Okay, the next production order number is appearing here, 3466. Okay, this is how we can do the goods receipt manually using this transaction MIGO. Okay, now let us check how to do auto goods receipt and where are those settings maintained. Okay, first let us see that setting maintained in the control key. To check the control key, we have to go to the transaction CA0. This is the transaction CA0. Go to the transaction over here. So the first counter we were using, select first counter, go to operations, and here the third operation, what we can see here is PP99 is maintained for this third operation, right? So let us check if the automatic goods receipt is activated for this control key or no. So let me scroll down here, PP99, right? Okay, PP99, select the cursor on this, place a cursor on this, click on detailed information. Here you can see that this control key is activated with the automatic goods receipt. checkbox got activated, right? Along with this milestone confirmation, here it is also activated for milestone confirmation, and also it is activated with automatic rules. So this is one setting where we can maintain here in the control key, and then while doing the confirmation activity, we can do the automatic goods receipt. In that case, what happens? We can avoid. So let me save this routing. In that case, what happens? By doing automatic confirmation, automatic goods receipt, this manual transaction, whatever we are executing, this transaction can be eliminated. So let us execute this one scenario, how it works. So now what I will do, I will create one more production order. So no need to create one more new production order. There is a planned order over here. So I'll select this planned order, or we already created one production order. Let me go into this production order. Okay, let me come here. This is the production order. I'm going to the change mode. Locking lock. Did I lock it somewhere? No, let's see. Okay, this is the production order. What is locked? Order is already being processed by the user. So it is saying I'm processing it. So let me check where did I open it somewhere. Okay, I have entered it here, right? So I did not do anything here. So I'll come out of it. Okay, now it will allow me to go in. So go into this production order number. Let me check whether the control key has been selected here or not. To check that, inside this production order, go to operation overview, and here we can see that control key has been selected. Okay, so in this control key, we have maintained milestone operation also, as well as automatic goods receipt also. So let us, what we will do, we will execute the confirmation for this production order. Along with that, we will also do the automatic goods receipt. So select this production order number, and let us go to the transaction CO11 here. Okay, so here I will be entering this production order number, and this is the milestone operation, right? So what I will do, I'll try to confirm third operation directly. Because of milestone operation, it will also confirm the first two operations automatically. Okay, so select third operation, click on actual data here. Now here there is one more button called goods movement. So if you click on this, when is the manufacturing date? It is today. Okay, here you can see this product of this much quantity will be done. The goods receipt will be done for this product of this much quantity during this confirmation activity. So here you can see the moment type is 101 moment type is goods receipt. It is for goods receipt. Enter the batch over here. So batch is already entered. To which storage location we want to receive this finished product? Enter the storage location number here, L000. For this location I want to receive it. So now what you do? You click on save. Now the confirmation is also done. Along with the confirmation, goods receipt is also done. So let us go back to our production order and let us see whether this production order status has been updated with confirmation as well as DB. Here we can see it is updated with partial confirmation, right? Why the partial confirmation has come means I have not changed this confirmation type to final confirmation. That is why it is showing partial confirmation. Let me try to read again. What is that? Number 638, right? So here it's already being processed. So I'm inside this production order. That is why it was not allowing me. Third operation. Enter. Check data again. I'm giving the final confirmation. Save it. Okay, let me go to the production order number here. Go to the change mode. Here now it is finally totally confirmed, and the status is also updated with the DLV, that is delivered, and it is confirmed. Here we can see it is updated with the delivered quantity of 400 pieces, and even we can go to the documented goods movement. Here system is showing only this finished product for which we have done goods receipt. Why system is not showing any goods issue components here? Because for this order we have not done goods issue. That is why system is not showing the components which have been issued, because we have not done issue. Okay, so our main motive was to check whether the automatic goods receipt will happen for the production order or no. Here we can see for this order, this material has been auto GR. We have done automatic GR for this production order. Okay, this is how the automatic GR has to be done for a production order. Now, what is the other setting where we can maintain the other setting? Here in the production scheduling profile. To maintain that setting, we have to go to the transaction SPRO. Go to transaction SPRO here. CP reference IMG. Okay, now we have to go to the production here. Go to the production. Down. Go to shop flow control. Okay, here master data. Here we can see define production scheduling profile. So click on this. Okay, so for which plant we are working? Plant 1000. And what is the production scheduling profile? No need to enter that. System display all the production scheduling profile. Here the first profile is for manual. So where in the first profile there won't be activated. I mean this automatic goods receipt will not be activated. Here we can see goods receipt, automatic goods receipt. Okay, if we activate this checkbox, the goods receipt will happen automatically whenever we are doing the confirmation activity. But we have to activate this automatic goods receipt, and we need to take this production scheduling profile, and we have to go to the material master of the finished product in the one scheduling view of the material master. So here, this one in one it is not maintained. It is maintained in two here. It is automatic goods receipt maintained. So I take this production scheduling profile. Okay, I will go to the material master MM0. So let the screen be open. Let us use the same another screen MM02. Okay, this is our finished product. Now let us go to the work scheduling view. Enter in the work scheduling view. We will be maintaining this production scheduling profile. Maintain the production scheduling profile as this one, because in this profile we have maintained it as automatic goods receipt. Once you maintain this, save this one. Okay, and whenever we create a new production order, so it won't work for already created production orders. We have to create a new production order and we have to test it. So here, if you come here, /NCO01, okay, that means 07 is our finished product. In this man we are manufacturing. So I want to manufacture some 25 pieces. Okay, so this date I'm using as current date. Enter. This is the routing what we want to use. Okay, release rejected. Why? Because the batch is not maintained for this component. Enter. Now let me check the material availability. All materials are available. Now I'm releasing it. Release carried out. Okay, release. Now I'm going to save it. From here I'm not doing any goods issue anything. I'm directly going and I'll be confirming it just to check automatic goods issue will happen for this order. Okay. So production order will be created now. Okay, so the confirm is missing. Okay, I'll create it again. 02, this is 69. Did we create it now? Yeah, so it is created. This is our production order for 25 pieces, and I'm going to save it. Okay, so I'll be taking this production order number and I want to do the confirmation activity. Enter this production order number. Okay, here the third operation along with this operation. I want to do the milestone confirmation as well as automatic goods. So click on this goods movement button. On this day we are manufacturing it. Select this one. See, for 25 pieces, we are receiving it back to the L000 location during the confirmation activity itself. And here you need to check this movement type. What is this movement type? Okay, so for goods received, the movement type is 101, and I'm saving it. Okay, now if we go back to our production order screen, this is our production order. Yeah. Okay, again it has marked as a partial confirmation here. I did not change this one to final confirmation. That's why it is showing as partial confirmation here. Okay, that is okay. And here you can see the status got delivered. All the 25 pieces got delivered. Okay, so this is the other setting where we can maintain for automatic goods receipt in a production scheduling profile. Okay, now once after doing the goods receipt, what all things will happen? So in the system, once you do the goods receipt, this material document number will be created along with that accounting document, controlling document, GL accounts. All these things will get updated in the system. Okay, these are related to the FICO team. Okay, and your stock quantity will increase. Here, if you go here, I'm going to save this one. Yeah, coming out of this. If you go to the stock requirement list screen, if I refresh it, the respective orders, whichever they are confirmed and delivered, they will disappear from the screen and the quantity will keep on increasing here. Now, I have manufactured another 25 pieces, right? So that quantity will get added to this 98 pieces. I'm going to refresh it. Okay, before this, I have manufactured another 400 pieces. If you remember, in our before 25 piece production order number, we have manufactured 400 piece production order number. So that 400 plus 98 plus remaining 25, our stock keeps on increasing here. So that is what it means. That production order number will disappear from the stock requirement list screen. Stock will keep on increasing, and these details will get updated here. Where you can find these details: material document, accounting document, control document. Those things you can see here in the production order itself. So let me go to the production order which we have delivered it. So go to documented goods movement here. Here you can see the material document got generated. This is nothing but this material document number, and accounting document, controlling documents. Where you can find it, you can find it here. So double click on this material document number. Okay, it will give us what are the materials, what is the details regarding that specific material, what is the quantity. Okay, where we have transferred, so what is the storage location, what is the batch number, everything. So for accounting documents, we need to click on this accounting documents here. Okay, here we can see controlling documents. These are different accounting documents. Out of it, these are controlling documents, profit center document, all those things. Specific proposed ledger is also over here. Okay, we are not bothered about these things much. If you want to see the details, you can select it and you can go to the original documents or details. This is the place where you can see all these accounting documents, material documents within the production order number. So these things will get updated in the system. Okay, and in case if you want the goods receipt to sit, once you do this goods receipt slip can also be generated. So these are the effects that are going to take place in the background when we do the goods receipt posting. Okay, so this is all about the goods receipt. So we have covered the production order confirmation and the goods receipt steps. So this is the last step here in the production order next step. Once after this, we'll be doing the TEGO. Okay, that is nothing but a technical completion of a production order. Once after that, the FICO team will take these production orders in the month end. They will do the settlement. They will do the settlement of these production orders. So that is the total last step of the production order. So our activity will come to end over here. So after doing the goods receipt, you can also do the technical completion. Where you can do the technical completion, go to the functions, restrict the processing, and here there is an option called technically complete. Click on technically complete. The status will get updated with the TECO. Once you do the technical completion of the production order, everything will be grayed out. You cannot change anything here. Okay, everything will be grayed out. So this is nothing but a technically completion of our production order. So once after you do that, you will save your production order. So then what FICO team will do in the month end, they will collect all the production orders which are carried out in that specific month, and they will calculate the variance, and then the settlement will take. So that is their activity. So this is all about the production order life cycle.